Smith Douglas Homes has communities coming soon around the Metro Atlanta area, and today I am here with Claire, and we are here to talk about a brand new townhome community. Now this one is Felton Walk, and it is in Cartersville. And Claire, I know that Smith Douglas already has a couple of neighborhoods in Cartersville, so tell us about Felton Walk.
I would love to. You know, Cartersville really is that gateway between Metro Atlanta and also the Blue Ridge Mountain Range. There's Lake Allatoona, there's Etowah River, Red Top Mountain State Park. We already do have 2 open communities in that Cartersville location with detached single-family homes, but now we're excited to be offering townhomes. Enjoy convenient townhome living less than 3 miles from I-75, Cartersville. Felton Walk is just off of North Tennessee Street and West Felton Road, and only a short drive to historic downtown. You can enjoy chef-owned restaurants, award-winning museums, boutiques, and much, much more.
Well, Claire, there really is so much to do in Cartersville, and I know that you've had a lot of success with your first communities. So what can people expect from these townhomes?
We'll be offering 45 new townhomes with wonderful open concepts and a lot of those features that people look for today in a home. In this community, we'll be offering 3 of our most popular townhome floor plans, ranging in square footage from about 1,700 to 1,900 square feet. Each of these townhomes has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, along with a 2-car garage.
Well, Claire, like we said, this community is coming soon. So what's the best way to get more information, and when will the model home be ready?
We anticipate that model home opening sometime in late fall, but we do have an interest list, so we invite people to join that so we can keep them up to date with information. They can visit our website at smithdouglas.com or call me directly at 678-552-0289.
And Claire, you guys did a great overhaul on the website, right? It's a little bit different.
We did. For those who are familiar with our website, it's looking a little different, so we invite people to check that out.
Well, Claire, thanks so much for being here with me today. I am very excited about the coming soon townhome community of Felton Walk. And with Smith Douglas Homes, it is your home, your choice, within reach.